deep inside a fortress of steel and chrome, where scent is engineered with the precision of aerospace hardware, a hidden industry transforms rare essences into liquid status symbols worth more than gold. Today on Warehouse Insider, we'll learn how it's manufactured as ultra-premium couture fragrance for the world's most demanding noses. Let's step onto the factory floor. Tanker trucks unload concentrated fragrance ingredients, while forklifts deliver bottles and atomizer components, feeding a continuous, tightly coordinated flow of materials into the production facility. Automated lines weigh and dispense crystalline aroma chemicals and powdered fixatives into rotating stainless steel canisters, while operators monitor sight glasses and data screens for precise dosing. In the evaluation labs, technicians and automated systems precisely dose, mix, and analyze tiny fragrance trials, while unsuitable blends are safely collected through a dedicated wasteline. Perfumers methodically assess microdose trials on ceramic blotters as automated systems cycle samples through the lab, refining formulas before they advance to full-scale production. In these stainless steel reactors, measured streams of essential oils, alcohol, and fixatives are blended under controlled agitation, while operators monitor each batch from digital consoles. Freshly blended perfume concentrate moves through inspection lines, as sensors and automated samplers verify refractive index and density, diverting any off-spec flowback for controlled reprocessing. In a temperature-controlled blending hall, concentrated fragrance and ultra-pure alcohol are metered into cool mixing tanks, forming a uniform perfume solution under continuous high-shear agitation. Automated filtration lines polish the blended perfume, pushing it through stacked cartridge filters so the pale golden liquid emerges clarified and ready for final quality checks. In chilled maturation tanks, the perfume concentrate is gently stirred under a protective blanket of nitrogen as technicians monitor its clarity and uniform circulation. Matured fragrance concentrate flows through overhead stainless lines into mobile transport vessels, which lock into filling docks as quick connect couplings enable a continuous, controlled transfer. Before any fragrance touches glass, each bottle is precision flipped and purged with ionized air on a continuous, cleanroom conveyor to remove microscopic dust. Automated vision systems scan each rotating bottle under synchronized LED flashes, rejecting any glass with visible defects and sending only flawless containers forward for filling. Precision presses stamp and emboss metal sheets into perfume caps, while robotic grippers transfer each finished piece to conveyors and scrap coils off for recycling. Metal cap components move through sequential plating baths, receiving precise metallic finishes before rinsing and drying on a rotating carousel for later assembly. Robotic tools assemble, weight, polish, and sensor check each plated cap on a compact carousel before releasing the finished pieces onto a felt-lined conveyor. Stainless steel nozzles lower in unison to dose each bottle with a precise volume of pale golden fragrance, while overflow channels recover stray drops as the line runs continuously. Filled bottles meet their pumps at a rotating indexing table, where crimping heads seal each collar before the line checks every unit for proper pressure. On the final carousel, mechanical arms place metal caps onto freshly crimped bottles, while sensors check alignment and divert any misfits to a separate correction loop. Each bottle passes through enclosed polishing stations, where rotating lint-free pads and filtered air remove fingerprints and dust before the pristine glass continues toward final packaging. Automated sprayers fire-controlled bursts from sample bottles, while sensors analyze droplet size and spray pattern, sending non-conforming units to a separate rework line. Finished perfume bottles travel through controlled light and temperature chambers, while robotic systems extract samples for continuous optical checks on color and clarity. Flat carton blanks are folded, glued, and compressed into rigid perfume boxes, while automated conveyors remove cardboard scrap for continuous collection and compaction. Automated folders crease and lock cream-colored cardboard grids into rigid bottle cradles, stacking finished inserts and magazines ready to be fed into the perfume boxes. A synchronized packing line drops protective inserts into each empty perfume box, then presses them firmly into place before sending the prepared cartons onward for filling. A robotic pick-and-place head gently lifts finished perfume bottles from the conveyor and lowers them into cartons, which then move along separate lanes for final packing. Robotic guides fold and glue each carton lid. Then a compression belt seals the top so the finished perfume boxes leave the line uniformly closed and aligned. A finishing tunnel gently brushes each perfume box clean, aligns it in parallel rows, and uses cameras and guides to verify shape before splitting the flow into multiple lanes. An automated overwrap machine folds and heat seals ultra-clear film around each perfume box, then shrinks it to a smooth, uniform, wrinkle-free finish. Precision conveyors group the finished perfume boxes and slide them into rigid outer sleeves, aligning each presentation unit before it moves on for final packing. Foil stamping heads press metallic emblems and bands onto each moving box in continuous motion. Their finish is briefly checked under inspection lanes before traveling onward. A high-speed conveyor carries finished perfume boxes under a laser unit that etches microscopic batch codes, while extraction hoods remove particles before bulk packing. Automated machinery erects and seals heavy-duty shipping cartons from flat blanks. Then inline scales verify each empty box's weight before they meet the stream of finished perfume units. A robotic case packer lifts finished perfume boxes in precise grids, layers them into moving cartons, and inserts cardboard dividers so each bottle stays securely braced. Automated sealing heads apply continuous craft tape and compress each lid, forming uniformly closed cartons that glide smoothly onto the outbound rollers. Inline scales and overhead scanners verify each sealed perfume carton's weight and shape, automatically diverting any anomalies, while the main production flow continues uninterrupted. Robotic palletizers stack finished fragrance cartons into interlocked layers on rotating pallets, maintaining a continuous flow toward the wrapping line for final shipment. Automated stretch wrappers secure finished fragrance cartons onto pallets with overlapping film, then release each stabilized load onto a conveyor for downstream storage and distribution. Automated guided vehicles and motorized roller conveyors move perfume ingredient pallets through the warehouse corridor, with overhead sensors coordinating smooth, collision-free routing to high bay storage. Automated stacker cranes and conveyors move palletized perfume cartons through the high bay warehouse, coordinating storage and retrieval to keep finished fragrances flowing without interruption. Cartons are automatically diverted, grouped by shipment, and transferred by workers into rolling cages, keeping fragrance orders moving steadily toward the loading area. At the final checkpoint, scanners, cameras, and weight sensors verify each pallet, while robotic arms realign cartons before they roll toward the loading docks. Automated belt loaders and electric pallet trucks move fragrance materials into waiting trailers, keeping a continuous, synchronized flow of supplies in and out of the factory. Convoys of trailers depart as forklifts unload fresh raw materials, keeping the fragrance factory's continuous flow of incoming ingredients and outgoing finished products precisely synchronized. At the regional distribution center, pallets of the finished ultra-premium perfume move along automated conveyors and sorters, routed to storage zones and then outbound shipping lanes. In the retail preparation hub, workers break down pallets, feeding cartons to automated cutters that open and separate lids for recycling before boxes move on for boutique distribution. Finished ultra-premium fragrance bottles move quietly through the stockroom on carts and belts, feeding both display cabinets and under-counter storage behind the sales floor. On the sales floor, a concealed conveyor quietly feeds freshly filled ultra-premium bottles forward as staff align each heavy glass flacon in precise illuminated rows. On the sales floor, the finished fragrances are displayed with the same controlled precision, every bottle aligned, rotated, and handled to preserve a consistent presentation. Even at the counter, an automated undershelf system advances each boxed perfume, while a discreet return line carries empty cases and packaging back for reuse or recycling. At the counter, a finished perfume box is scanned as hidden rails and chutes quietly feed fresh stock and packing materials to keep the sale flow uninterrupted.